Hi guys, this is Deepan from Team 7 Boats, and today I will show you how you can use a tool called TextOptimizer to optimize your existing content, article and blogs to rank higher in SERP results. Okay, so what is TextOptimizer? It's a free alternative of a tool called Surfer. Uh, Surfer is a tool where you can optimize your existing article and contents. Here you can see it will provide you the keywords and words to include in your content. So it's a paid tool, but the text optimizer is a free option we have here. Okay, so how you can install it? Just search text optimizer in the Chrome web store and this will pop up. Okay, add to your Chrome and pin it from the extension uh, place. Okay, so after that come to your article. Okay, here you can see here is the article of ours, digital marketing strategy for pressure washing business. So what text optimizer going to do, it's going to suggest us what words or what keywords to add in our existing content. Okay, so let me show you how it's done. First I have to click on the text optimizer version, then enrich your content. Okay, and it's analyzing our existing content, and here you can see uh, it's showing a fair score of 73. Our content is almost here you can see text content is okay. So here are some words showing here like tactic, marketer, conversion, marketing campaign, and here you can see why these words. Here you can see why this one, because the main lecture field extract from a text inbound marketing, search engine marketing, etc. It's telling you why these words are matter. Okay, so what you can do, you can take words or keywords from here and put into your existing content. If you want to add more word, you can click on show more words, and here you can see a lot of word that you can use in your existing content. There's these words are not included here, so it's suggesting us to add this content, add this word into the content, so that our this blog can rank higher in ACRP. Okay, so just copy words from here and try to add into the content with AI writing tools and etc. uh, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.